Hello, welcome back. So in this lesson, I want us to finish designing this nail polish body before we proceed. So to start, the only thing we have to do is add a chamfer to this two edge. So click on the chamfer, and our chamfer will be 0.01, and we want to add it to this edge and that edge, and click OK. And the next thing we need to do is section it around the front plane. Click OK, and we want to add the fillet in here, and our fillet will be 0.25, and click OK. So it looks something like that. So the next thing we need to do is offset this face, and the reason why let's just do it, and I'll explain it later. And go into the surface tab, and if you can see the surface tab, right click on anywhere around here and you should see the surface. Make sure that's checked, and in the surface tab select offset surface and select this face, that face, this face, that face, this face. You pretty much want to select all the face on the inside, and that face and that face. The distance will be 0.001. So once we have something like that, and we'll click OK. We still have more to select, so I would close that section and let me just hide that. And as you can see, this part, this face, we still need to select this face. So what I would do is show my part again, and I will section it, this time going in the opposite direction, and click OK. So now I will edit this offset surface, and I want to select that face and that face, and click OK. Let me see if everything worked. I'll hide that, hide this, and the only thing that's left to select is this edge over here. So I will show my feature again. I will section it and edit this offset, and I want to select that one and click OK, and hide that again. And when everything is selected, so you should have something like this on the inside, and I will show my feature back again. So the reason why we did this offset is when we start getting into our rendering, this offset would act as the paint on the inside of the bottle. So since this is a nail polish, the offset will act as the paint on the inside. So we'll paint that, and everything will be clear as we move forward. So make sure you save your part, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye.